Hey guys, this is how you create listicles for your Shopify store. First of all, quickly, what is a listicle? You can see I have one open here. This is by the company Create. They create creatine gummies mainly. And a listicle is, think of it like a mini blog post that specifically highlights your product features, but in a very bloggy way. So the goal of this is pretty much pitch your product without necessarily just showing a product page. They work really, really well, especially if you in an industry where people are more high information buyers, meaning they don't see something and buy it. They have some questions. They need a little bit more proof. Creatine gummies, supplements in general, is one of this. Skincare, beauty usually is in that area. So if you're in this area, then you definitely want to try listicles. And I can show you how this brand is also running their ads. I have it open here. So you can see they're crushing it. They're running 130 ads right now just on the Meta platform alone. I'm pretty sure they run Google ads, TikTok, all the other ones, influencers, of course. But just on Meta, they currently have 130 ads active, meaning this is working. And what's pretty interesting to see is if we just take a look at some of these ads, let's open any one. This one, for example, you can see that it's pretty much the same static ad we're used to. They have the copy, the primary text, the headline. They also say shop now, but when I click the shop now button, I'm not necessarily seeing just the product page. That's like the very basic setup, but this is pointing me to a listicle. So they know people that are interested in buying, they don't yet have all the information that they need to actually make the purchase decision. So they bring you to this page where they basically want to close the deal, but just giving you some more information. This one is 5 reasons why creatine is the perfect New Year's resolution companion. Now, they always look like they're written by someone else, but of course, this is your own page. You can see they're using Shopify, try create co /pages /new year, new me, whatever, listicle. So they know this is not a blog post. They didn't even use a good URL for SEO. No one cares. This is purely for sales. Now, one quick call out that's interesting is they're not showing any navigation. You can see we have this mini navigation. This is completely custom. This is just like a standard div. And when I click it, it actually scrolls within the listicle. The reason why we don't want to have navigation is it's called conversion bleed. Is, for example, someone clicks on the ad, they see this, now they see the shop button and they start browsing around. With this, it's called bleed because we bleed them away from our page. We actually can't control whether they're reading this or not. More often than not, people see the navigation, jump to the things that they think they like, never read this, so we're kind of wasting the click. And this is why these listicle pages more often than not actually have the standard shop navigation removed. Okay, this is just how a listicle is used, how you can do this too, to make this super, super easy for you, because this is very custom, even though this looks like image with text all the way. But there are definitely some customizations, the way the images are shaped, boxes like this, the way the products are presented, there are a couple of customizations in there. Of course, you can do this if you're developers. You can do this yourself. If you're working with freelancers, great, give it your team. But if you don't, then you can also just get it for free. So we created in the community. I actually built this complete template. All you have to do to install it is, well, if you're not part of the community, click the button below and join. It's free for the first 7 days. Grab the section if you want to. And that's all you have to do is I have the full section code in here. So we want to click this. And I'm just going to copy over everything in that file as soon as it opens. There it is. Might take a little long because this is a lot of code. And then I have my store open. And to actually install it, I already have it here, so I'm just going to do it here. I'm going to click 3 dots, edit code. You know how this works. Now here, just even if you're not used to it, just collapse everything. All we need is templates, the templates folder, and then click the plus button which says add a new template. And then from the type, we want to select page. Name, I just like to call it what it is, listicle. Keep it on the JSON, click done. And now here you can delete everything, Command A, delete, and then we paste the code. Just make sure it always brings in this little line at the very bottom. Just delete this one. This is coming from school, our platform. And now we have our template. All you want to do now is open your customizer. And this is already pre-written to one that Create is running. So here in our test shop, as soon as it loads, I can now navigate to the pages. There should be the listicle page. There it is. And you can see it already comes pre-designed. This is everything that we want. And of course, this is now literally copied from Create. So, and I kept the copy in there because I want you to follow this rule. We can't just say anything in there. It has to be pretty focused on what it is that we're doing. If you're doing something else, for example, do skincare like Alive for Real is doing from our community, then what you can do, and this is very simple, you can just open up ChatGPT. And in here, I always like to prompt him, you are a copywriting expert. Then I copy paste one of the listicles and I attach a listicle underneath, so you can do the same. Go back, tell him, I want copy for a listicle like this, paste the link, but for the brand, and this is where you type in your brand, and I'm just going to quickly open up a product. Let's do this one, probiotic moisturizer for the brand, highlighting, but for the brand, highlighting this product, and the goal of the listicle is to sell the product and highlight features like clear skin. Of course, you might know your brand much better, but when I run through this, we should get something. 7 reasons why you need Alive for Real. I want 5 only, so we can say make it 5 reasons only. Of course, you can skip this if you already have a great copy, great. But this would look pretty good. And then all you have to do, this is the headline. So you would go in, this is the same format now. I would go in, copy this one by one, and I'm not going to do it all to bore you guys, but here I would just say 5 reasons why gym. We replace with this, make it bold again. And this is pretty much all you have to do. You go through this, make sure you link your buttons. We remove the navigation, so up here there's no navigation, even though you had it. This is actually in code, so your navigation will be gone. That's exactly what you want. And then the most important thing at the bottom, make sure here you actually select the product you want to sell. And even though there are now sections like this is a testimonial, this is a discount code, if you're not using them, totally fine. Just make sure you hide them. You don't have to have all of these. It's totally fine to just have these reasons, 5 reasons or 4 reasons plus the product. If you have testimonials, great, keep them here. FAQs, I would want to keep. And then this is just a closing argument. I would keep this. Add a product picture and just make sure you have a shop now button that points to the product. That's it. That's how you do it. Now, last step, how do we actually connect it to a page? Very, very simple, because now we only have a template for the page. We go back, you know how this works. Under pages, I would just create a new page. You can call it listicle, you can call it whatever. You can also give it the actual, if you want this, especially for SEO, being ranked nicely, we can actually give this the name 5 reasons or whatever you came up with. Why experts are switching, you know the drill. Just actually give it the real title. Here in the content, we don't need anything because all we're interested in is in the template selector. I'm going to select the listicle, hit save, and then when I preview it, this is how it would then look. Works exactly the same. I can show you the other one. Of course, they switch it around. I based it off of a different listicle, but it's the exact same structure with minor changes. Takes you seconds. If you don't have to explain it, takes you seconds to install. So click the link underneath. If you're not part of the community, join the community, go to templates, download this template. And of course, if you're in the community, you know where to find it. And you also know where to find me in case you need any help. Happy selling, guys.